What's going on, guys? Hope everyone is having a awesome and wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you few of the plans, few of the platforms that I'm actually invested in. So I wanted to take a moment and to break down the numbers, right? So you can see how you can achieve that financial freedom that you're actually looking for just by utilizing these platforms. And I'll share with you two of the platforms, right? I'm invested into three different platforms, but on the lowest end I'll tell you how much you can be earning, and also on the high end how much you can be earning, right? So by the way, on this channel I create videos everything got to do with starting your own online business with YouTube automation and affiliate marketing. But recently I've started doing videos on these passive income platforms that I've been able to use and to be able to earn that guaranteed income day by day. And this is by far the easiest way I believe anyone can achieve financial freedom, because now what you're doing is you getting your actual investment to do all the hard work for you, and you basically not doing anything, right? You put the money on the actual platforms and you actually get daily returns from these platforms, right? So that's what I'll be sharing with you on this video. So make sure you stay all the way till the end so you can understand everything in this video that I'm going to be sharing with you, right? So let me flip the screen. So as an example, right, on a $10,000 investment, right? So on the 10K investment, you actually get daily returns of 1.66% daily, right? So if you look at the income wise, what you're going to be earning is $166 you're going to be earning from that $10,000 investment, all right, which actually goes to weekly income of $1,162. Right, so think about it. You're starting with the 10,000 investment, and whatever you actually earning from your job, right, $1,162 that you're gonna be earning now passively on your $10,000 investment, which is awesome. And monthly income, which will actually bring to $4,648 US dollars just on your $10,000 investment, right? Which is just awesome. So now let's get into another platform that I'm also invested in. This platform actually pays me 6% guaranteed income on my actual investment on the $10,000 investment, right? And actually gives me $600 daily returns. The weekly returns from that 6% on your 10,000 actually gives you $4,200, and monthly it gives you $16,800, right? This is monthly income, by the way, right? So if you actually want to get invested into two platforms with the $10,000 each, right? So one actually gives you 16,800 plus the first one that I shared with you with the 1.66, right, which will actually gives you $21,448 monthly income, right? But if you just want to use the 6% daily returns, you actually earn 33,600 per month monthly income, which is guaranteed, right? But I like to always not keep my eggs in one basket. I like to be invested into different platforms, and I'm actually invested into three different platforms, right? But just with this video, I wanted to share with you the breakdown income that you're going to be earning from two platforms, right? So and if I go to like bonus income, so this is additional to what else you're gonna be earning. So the referral and matching bonus on the $10,000 investment that actually we get on the 1.66% return platform from this platform, right? And this platform actually pays a lot of other income streams, and on the referral, for example, if you refer someone All right, you don't need to because you're already earning. But if you also want to refer people, on the $10,000 investment, you get 8% commission, which actually gives you $800 commissions, right? So there's two different, it's like a triage tree. So for example, you on the top here, and another person is on the left, you refer to, another person on the right, you refer to, right? And if, for example, they both invest 1,000 on each side of the tree, you get a matching bonus, which is 9% on the lower investment. So for example, if someone did $50, but on the other side someone did $1,000, you get income percent on the lower end. But for example, if they did a matching, right, one person did $1,000, another on the other side does 1,000, you get 9% of that $1,000. So on that $1,000 you get $90 commission, and on the $10,000 you get 900 commission, right? So that's a simple breakdown on how you can actually earn guaranteed income. And this is by far, like I've told you many times before, this is by far the easiest way and a guaranteed way for you to be earning income, because you're actually partnering with these platforms. And on this platform there's like professionals doing all the hard work for you, and you're not actually trading your time for money, right? You're letting your money do all the hard work for you. And that way, when you put the investment on the actual platforms, then you earn that guaranteed income day by day by day by day, which will actually allow you to do whatever you want to do, right? So again, thank you so much. I'll also be putting another video on the screen right now so you can watch it. It will go through on the breakdown cost and everything, so you can watch it and get a clear understanding. If you want to connect to me via Facebook, I'll leave a link in the description section. You can ask me any questions regarding any of the investment platform that I shared with you, so that way I can help you and to make you successful with your online business. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and bye for now.